Hi everyone, welcome back to QA Time Spy. I am Ranjit and you are watching our Selenium Java interview question series. In today's session, we are diving into the fundamentals. What is Selenium, its key components, versions, and everything you need to build a solid foundation for interview success. Whether you are a fresher or brushing up before a QA interview, this is the perfect starting point. Let's get started. What is Selenium? Selenium is one of the most popular test automation tools available today. It is used specially for automating web applications, meaning it cannot automate desktop or mobile apps. Being an open source tool, Selenium is completely free to use with no licensing cost. As open source software, its source code is publicly accessible and can be modified or enhanced by anyone. This makes Selenium a powerful and flexible option for automation testing. Supported browsers and operating systems. Selenium supports a wide range of web browsers including Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, and Opera. This means your automation scripts can be tested across different browser platforms for better compatibility. It also supports multiple operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, offering great cross platform flexibility. Programming languages supported. One of Selenium's biggest strengths is its support for multiple programming languages. You can write your test scripts in Java, which is the most commonly used language for Selenium. It also supports Python, C Sharp, JavaScript, Ruby, and others like PHP, Perl, R, Haskell, and Objective-C. This makes Selenium adaptable to different team skills and tech stacks. Selenium components or tools. Selenium is not a single tool. It is actually a suite of tools that work together. It includes Selenium IDE. It is a simple record and playback tool for quick test creation. Selenium RC, which is now outdated and has been replaced by more modern tools. Selenium WebDriver, the most powerful and widely used component today, allowing more control and flexibility in writing test scripts. And finally, Selenium Grid, which lets you run tests in parallel across different machines, saving time and resources. Selenium versions. Let's look at how Selenium has evolved over time. Selenium 1 included Selenium IDE. RC means remote control and grid. Next is Selenium 2, which introduced WebDriver 2.x, which gradually replaced by RC, bringing better browser automation. Selenium 3 made WebDriver the standard, officially deprecated RC, and kept Grid as a core part of the suite. Selenium 4 brought major updates, a completely revamped Selenium IDE, native support for W3C WebDriver protocol, improved grid architecture, and relative locators for easier element identification. Each version has continued to improve performance, usability, and browser compatibility. And that wraps up our introduction to Selenium, covering what it is, its components, supported platforms, and how it has evolved across versions. This is just the beginning of our Selenium Java interview question series. So make sure you subscribe to QA Time Spy and turn on notification so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.